Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty green peas curry.
This green peas curry can be served along with rice, roti or chapati. It's a very easy recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute it for 1 minute. Then add 2 chopped green chillies and saute it for another 1 minute. Now add 2 sliced onion and 1.5 teaspoon salt and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame until the onion turns slight golden in color. After that, add 1 chopped tomato and some curry leaves and saute it for 3 minutes until the tomato becomes mushy. Now we can add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and mix it well. Now add 200 grams of soaked green peas. We need to soak the green peas for at least 8 hours. Then add 2.5 cup of water. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame for 1 whistle. Then 3 whistles on medium flame. Cooking time for each cooker will be different based on size, brand and quantity. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open it. Our green peas have cooked well. Now add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves and mix it. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our tasty green peas curry is ready. Serving after 30 minutes is best for the taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.